Dear students, peace be upon you. Welcome to English department. In this lecture, we are going to answer your workbook on page 39. So, open it. Exercise number B. Complete the sentence with the phrasal verbs given in the correct pronoun. Let's see number 1. I feel terrible. I have got a chest infection and I have been trying to all week. So we are going to use the phrasal verb which is fight off. Let's see the answer. So the answer is going to be fight it off. Okay, let's see number 2. You ate all the sweets and left none for me. Why did you? This is the question, okay? So we're going to answer it, or we're going to use polish off. Okay, let's see the answer. So it's gonna be polish them off. Number 3. Jolly works very quickly, and the other chefs can't space. We're going to use keep up with. Ready? Let's see the answer. So it's gonna be keep up with her. Keep up with her. Let's see number 4. It's a wonderful sauce, but you must space slowly or it will go lumpy. Let's see number 4. You are going to use warm up. Ready? The answer? Warm it up. So number 4, it's a wonderful sauce, but you must warm it up. Number 5. Thomas has got a great recipe for chicken with ginger and garlic. He spaced when he was experimenting in the kitchen one day. We are going to use the phrasal verb which is come up with. Come up with. The answer is come up with it. So it's gonna be came up with it. So this is the past, okay? Number 6. Jack is always rude to the customers, but he never gets into trouble. How does he space? And this is the question. And you are going to use get away with. Get away with. It means that he is going to escape without punishment. So the answer is going to be get away with it. Get away with it. So, this is exercise number B. You're going to answer it in your workbook. Thank you for listening. Let's see exercise number C. Exercise number C. We are going to complete the same word question tag. We are going to complete the same word question tag. Let's see number 1. Sir, you have passed all your exams. Space here. Well done. And we explained it before. So let's see the answer. The answer is gonna be have you, okay? And this is another form of the question tag and we explained it before. Number 2. Let's stay in tonight. Let's stay in tonight. Space we. The answer is gonna be shall we. Shall we. Number 3. I don't suppose you will lend me your new dress. Space here. The answer is gonna be would you. Would you. Number 4. There is nothing to eat in the house. Space there. There is nothing to eat in the house. Space there. The answer is there. Is there. Number 5. She would like to become a chef. Space she. That's surprising. That's surprising. The answer would she Number 6. So it's my turn to cook. So it's my turn to cook. Space it. I thought it was David's. I thought it was David's. So the answer is it. Is it. Number 7. They go and drop every last bit. Space there. I'm amazed. The answer. Did they? Did they? The last one. She could stay with you. She could stay with you. Space she. That's great. The answer. Could she? Could she? Thank you. Let's see exercise number D. We're going to circle and the correct tag. We're going to circle the correct tag. Mary would much rather eat him. She would or she wouldn't. She would or she wouldn't. I'm going to give you a chance to think, and then we're going to know the answers for all the exercise. Number 2. I see you refuse to eat it. Do you or don't you? Number 3. That's a fantastic chocolate cake. It is or that is. Number 4. Stella should cut down on the amount of salt she puts in her food. She should or she shouldn't. Number 5. You would like an ice cream. You would or would you? Let's go and get one now. Number 5. Number 6. So you always wash up. Do you? You do. What are those dishes doing there then? Number 7. These tomatoes aren't. They are or they aren't. The last one. I think you'd better clear up this mess now. I had or I do. Let's see the answer. So, number 1. She would. Number 2. Do you? Number 3. That's it. That is. Number 4, she should. Number 5, would you? Number 6, do you? And number 7, they aren't. And the last one, I do. Thank you. Let's see exercise number 8. Take the correct sentence, correct the sentences that are wrong. I'm gonna stick to a low carb diet from now. I'm not. Sorry. Number 1, instead of I'm not, it's gonna be I am. Number 2, these biscuits are absolutely delicious. They are. These biscuits are absolutely delicious. They are. The answer is, this is right. Number 3, Max hasn't got any time to cook at the moment. He has. Max hasn't got any time to cook at the moment. He has. Instead of he has, it's gonna be he hasn't. Number 4, I don't suppose I could use your espresso machine. Do I? Instead of do I, it's gonna be could I? Number 5, there are lots of onions in the kitchen. Are there? I can't find them. So this is right. Number 6. Number 5 is right. And then number 6, he's determined to learn how to cook. Helen is. This is right. Number 7, you couldn't help us out just this once. Could you? This is also right. The last one, I'm sure I brought the biscuits home with me. I had. So instead of I had, it's gonna be I am. Thank you.